Search and rescue operation continues for Sonam Raghuvanshi, the wife of Raja Raghuvanshi, whose body was recovered by a joint team of search operators of NDRF, SDRF, Meghalaya Police and local volunteers in Meghalaya's area of Cherrapunji, the tourist hotspot of Cherrapunji. In fact, it was from May 23rd that the couple who were newly married and were on a honeymoon trip to Meghalaya from Indore in Madhya Pradesh went missing from near a tourist spot. The scooty that they had hired for roaming around in Meghalaya was recovered first, since the scooty was a rented scooty, so therefore it had a GPS tracker, and using the GPS tracker the scooty was first recovered. Since it has been raining in the area for the past 1 week, search and rescue operations really took a hit, and it is only yesterday that his body was recovered, and after his body was recovered, then the deep divers of NDRF were able to recover his phone, and what Meghalaya Police's SIT, Special Investigation Team, which was formed to investigate the case, they have now officially said that a machete which was used to kill Raja Raghuvanshi has also been recovered. The Meghalaya Police comes on record to say that they have no doubt that it is a case of murder. However, his family is demanding for a CBI inquiry into it, because they feel that it might be a case of robbery and kidnapping. They feel that Sonam Raghuvanshi has been kidnapped. However, a massive operation is on to look for her. In fact, in the area where they were roaming about, a raincoat has been found now. It has some stains. Forensic experts are looking into what kind of stains they are, or whether this raincoat is of Sonam Raghuvanshi or not. And the post-mortem on the body of Raja Raghuvanshi has been completed, and the Meghalaya Police is waiting for the final outcome of the post-mortem to ascertain the cause of death, which they already feel that prima facie looks like a murder, but his family still is demanding a CBI probe. Now, it was only 11 days that they were married, and when this mishap took place, and family members back in Indore have been in constant touch with the Meghalaya Police. The Meghalaya Police have also assured that they will leave no stone unturned. However, Meghalaya government had come on to assure other tourists that Meghalaya is still safe for tourists, given the fact that this incident has taken place near Cherrapunji, which is a tourist hotspot, and tourism is one of the prime revenue for Meghalaya.